So I didn't intend to film today. I actually used this evening to do some editing on a video. So yeah, I'm in my fuzzy sweater. Yet again, don't have a bra on. And we're on like day 3 hair here. Like it's getting pretty bad. I was scrolling the new arrivals on the Sephora website, as one does from time to time, redoes twice a day. And I saw an item on there that is not necessarily new. I have owned it for, I would say, about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. And it disappeared for a while, and then they brought it back. But I was really kind of excited to see it back, and I just wanted to pop on here really quickly, put together a quick little video for you, give a recommendation, and then get my butt to bed. So the item that I am talking about, as you've probably seen in the title of this video, is the Vinyl Couture mascaras from YSL. These retail for $39 on the Sephora website. That's Canadian. The thing with this is that it's just a lovely mascara. Take away the color aspect of it, and it's just a good mascara. Also, it smells fucking heavenly. Like, it smells like the kind of shampoo that would make me stay in the shower and wash my hair twice. Like, it just smells really nice. It's a weird thing to have a scent in a mascara, but it's there. It's YSL, it's in everything. But it's really nice, and I really like it. Whoa, sorry. Kara Longlegs here. I did a look. Probably one of the first videos that I did on my channel was a cobalt eye look. I will stick it in the card and link it down below so you can really see this in action, but I do have like today's mascara on. I will try applying it over top and see how it goes. But it is the only colored mascara that I have come across that actually translates onto the lashes. Which is a novel concept when you're, marketing a colored mascara. So I'm just gonna paint that on. I just got it all over my lid. So it's looking a tiny bit clumpy right now, and that is because I already have mascara on. When you just go in with this, you don't get any of that. This is actually a nice mascara. Like, it does add volume. It does add volume. It does add length, but it doesn't clump your lashes up. It doesn't flake during the day. I can't really speak to curl because my lashes are fairly curled as they are. You'll notice, or maybe not, I will bring it to your attention now, I don't curl my lashes. Like, I do own a lash curler, but I never use it because I have enough curl in my lash that I don't really see any difference, frankly, when I go in with a curler, so it's just a step that I can save. So I don't have the issue of like straight or droopy lashes, so I don't tend to notice any lifting effect because my lashes are already somewhat lifted. But it lasts all day, and I really, really like this. So, I'm a rambly mess. I didn't make any notes. I didn't sort of pre-plan this video. It was very spur of the moment, so if it's sort of disjointed and all over the place, I really do apologize. But I was just so excited to see it back that I really wanted to just let you guys know about it, so that if you are in the market for a colored mascara, I can point you in the right direction. They do have this in black as well. I'm sure it performs every bit as well as the blue one does. However, I think there are so many great drugstore options that I find it hard to justify spending $39 on a mascara unless it's something unique like this. And the reason I say that, I used to have other drugstore colored mascaras. Like, I had some from NYX. I decluttered them. I had one from Essence, I believe. Got rid of it. The only one that I found kicking around still is from Wet n Wild, and it's called the colored mascara. This one is in purple. So it doesn't smell nearly as good, tell you that. So here's the wand on this one. And stop focusing on me. Here's the wand on this one. The problem that I have with this is that it just doesn't show up. Like it doesn't do anything. So while it may be significantly less money, it's also just sort of a wasted effort because the color payoff isn't there. Yeah, that's the frustration I've had with colored mascaras for ages, is that they just don't do anything. I'm going to show you the wand on the YSL one as well, because I forgot to do that. Here we go. It's a gigantic wand. But you can see how close the bristles are to themselves. Like, they really get in between the lashes. They really do a great job. You can see just how pigmented this is, just even on the wand itself. For comparison, I'm just going to bring back the Wet n Wild one again. The bristles are so spread out that they just, even just as a mascara itself, let alone the issues I have with the color, you can see none of the color like translates onto the stick part, the wand, I suppose, I don't know, whatever. That it just doesn't even perform well as a mascara. So yes, it is a fraction of the cost of the other, but it's useless. And if you buy it because it's a color, you want the color to translate onto your eyelashes. Alright, I'm going to zoom you in and just show you, again, keep in mind I did have black mascara on already, so this one is looking a little bit clumpy. This one looks the same as it fucking did 2 minutes ago. Let's just, oh, that piece of hair. The problem is, it's Bennett, and I don't want to blame the baby, but it really is him. He is a hair grabber, and then he, like, pulls, and, like, literally when I carry him upstairs, like, I'll have him sort of on my side, and he doesn't, like, with Barry, he wraps his arm around him, and he'll sort of hold on that way. With me, he literally, like, just grabs the short hairs at the back of my neck, and that's his, like, stabilizer bar. Super fun. So a lot of my hairs have been pulled out because of my darling son. Can't wait till he grows out of that phase. Okay, it's looking kind of awful. So in an effort to make myself look somewhat presentable for this video, I did touch up my makeup. I did not redo it by any stretch, but I did just want to do something really quick with the eyeshadow. I went in with this milk makeup glitter glaze quad in Party Up. Oh my god, this is what it looks like in here. It's called glitter glaze. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought they were going to be powders. Like, I thought you were getting, like, and I thought this was going to be a lot smaller than what it actually is. It's quite large, like it's massive, really. But these are not powders. These are like Vaseline. And on the finger, it looks beautiful, but it's a creasy freaking mess. Like, I've been rambling for 13 minutes. Jesus. I've had this on for, I guess, maybe 15 minutes, and it's already creased and looking awful. So it was a colossally bad idea to use a new product, especially one that I knew would crease. I just knew it, to film something where I'm going to be showing you close-ups on my eyeballs. Foresight, Kara. Look it up. Here we go. Okay, it won't go in any closer than that, but you can see the blue. Like, you can clearly see that it's on there. That glitter thing is just not working out for me. Whatever, that's not the issue. Okay, let me just, fuck it. Well, let me just get close. Will it? Yeah, there we go. Hi. Oh my god, the only person who's ever been this close to my eye is my frickin' optometrist. So, blue. Point made? Point made. Purple. Nope, it's black. You cannot see purple on there anywhere. Like, it just does not translate. If you're in the market for a colored mascara, I would definitely recommend checking these out on the Sephora website or in stores. I've never found one that comes anywhere close to this. Yes, they are pricey. However, in my opinion, they are worth the high price tag. I've tried so many drugstore options and they do not work. This works. Again, check out the video that I will link down below, my cobalt tutorial. If you really don't want to watch the whole thing, that's totally fine. Just sort of skip to the end and then you can really see this in action, I guess would be the word. I need to go to bed. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't be a dick. The editing of this is going to be monstrous. Grammar. It's a fucking thing. It's a thing. Just ignore me. This is me. This 100%, this is how I am in everyday life. My husband somehow, God bless his soul, finds it endearing and has put up with me for almost 15 years. I don't know, what can I say? I'm a fucking treat. So the whole point of this jumbled rumbly? No, didn't rumble once. Let's try it one more time and see if I can not bastardize the English language. Just wrap it up, Chapman, wrap it up.